For this video, I'll show you how to add a review section in Squarespace. First, on another window, search for Elf site and go to the website. Once you're in, on the upper ribbon, click on Widgets. Then, under the Reviews section, select Google Reviews. Now, click on Create Widget for free. Here, you can choose a template. Once you've selected one, click on Continue with this template. You can choose to add a business name or leave it blank. Then, click on Add to Website for free. Now, choose a layout that works for you. After that, click on Publish at the upper right corner. After publishing, close the window. It will take you back to your widget dashboard. Here, just click on Install under your widget. Then, copy the code that's generated. Next, go to your Squarespace dashboard and select the website where you want to add the reviews. Once inside your site, click on the section where you want to add it and select Add Section. After adding the section, click on it, then select Add Block on the left side. From the options, choose Code, then click on the pencil icon to edit. Now, paste the code you copied earlier. And that's it. Your Google reviews will now show up in your Squarespace site. You can stretch the section to fit your desired size and layout. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.